Walk into a big box store today, and you'll find rows of washing machines that look like spaceships. They feature curved glass doors, touchscreens, and Wi-Fi connectivity. But inside, they rely on cheap circuit boards that fry the moment the humidity rises in your laundry room. Manufacturers have shifted their engineering away from structural integrity. They have systematically replaced steel load-bearing components with plastic spiders and sealed bearings, designing these machines to fail within 5 years. This contrasts sharply with the historical baseline. Domestic machines were once engineered as permanent household assets, heavy metal tools built for a lifetime of service. Private equity firms have spent the last decade using legacy Made in USA branding as a marketing mask. They rely on your trust in these labels to sell hollowed-out, lower-quality products that no longer live up to the name. If the modern versions of the brands you trusted are now disposable, it raises a specific question. Is it still possible to buy products built to be owned and repaired, rather than rented and replaced? The modern consumer economy is designed to force a cycle of perpetual waste. In this environment, identifying forever brands becomes a form of economic rebellion. Adopting this philosophy requires a shift in financial strategy. You are choosing a high capital expenditure, the upfront cost, in order to eliminate the ongoing maintenance and replacement costs that define cheaper goods. The cost of ownership gap. A $500 disposable machine spikes every 5 years when the computer dies. A $1,300 industrial machine requires a massive initial investment, but remains flat for 25 years. To achieve this, you sacrifice smart features, modern aesthetics, and whisper-quiet operation. Escaping the cycle of disposable garbage requires you to willingly bring industrial-grade friction into a domestic world. The Speed Queen TC5 top loader is the mechanical antithesis of the modern sensor-laden front loader. Speed Queen does not build consumer appliances. They build commercial machines for laundromats. The unit you buy for your house is essentially the same professional machine, just without the coin slot. It achieves a 25-year lifespan by avoiding electronic complexity. It uses a mechanical timer and a steel transmission with steel gears to wash your clothes. The trade-off is the aggression of the cycle. It fills the tub to the top and washes with mechanical violence, the necessary price for commercial-grade longevity. Outdoor power equipment suffers from a similar reliance on disposable components. Most discount store generators and mowers run on cheap engine clones that vibrate heavily and fail after 2 winters in a garage. The Honda GX series remains the gold standard for small engines. These are commercial-grade units built with microscopic engineering tolerances that the generic clones cannot match. These tolerances ensure the engine starts on the first pull in extreme conditions, whether it is 90 degrees or sub-zero. The real value, however, is long-term support. If you break apart on a Honda engine from 1985, you can still walk into a dealer today and order the exact replacement screw. Investing in these machines means paying more upfront for a tool that respects your time and provides security during an emergency. High-quality work boots are equipment, not fashion. Their value is determined by how the sole is attached to the leather. Most modern boots use cement construction, gluing the rubber sole directly to the upper. It is a fast manufacturing method. But once that glue dries out and the sole peels, the boot becomes unrepairable trash. Rebuildable brands like Thorogood and Red Wing Heritage utilize a Goodyear Welt. This involves stitching the leather upper to a strip, which is then stitched to the sole, creating a mechanical bond. When the tread wears out, a cobbler can cut the stitches, peel off the old rubber, and stitch on a fresh sole. This process allows a single pair of leather uppers to last for a decade or more. This durability requires you to accept a $300 entry price and a painful 2-week break-in period while the heavy leather conforms to your feet. Mathematically, a pair of $300 boots that last 10 years is far cheaper than buying a $100 pair of glued boots every single year. Modern kitchens rely on the non-stick promise, but Teflon and ceramic coatings are inherently designed to fail. Within 3 years, these chemical layers flake off, leaving you with a useless pan. A Lodge cast iron skillet is a $30 rebellion against that cycle. It is a heavy, crude piece of iron that is virtually indestructible. You can scrape it with steel or put it directly into a campfire. Long-term use bakes oils into the iron, creating a natural seasoning that improves with age. This provides a chemical-free non-stick surface that can last for generations. The trade-off is manual maintenance. You cannot put it in a dishwasher, and you must oil it by hand to prevent rust. Hand tools have seen a similar decline as brands like Craftsman moved production to holding companies. Survivors like Channellock and Wright Tool still forge high-carbon steel in the United States, focusing on material strength rather than flashy marketing. Wright Tool uses a specific design called the Wright Grip, which applies pressure to the flats of a bolt rather than the corners. This provides 50% more torque while preventing the fastener from stripping. These tools look industrial. They are heavy and lack the shiny chrome plating found in big box stores that eventually peels off. In the world of iron and forged steel, the absence of circuit boards and chemical coatings is the ultimate guarantee of a lifetime of service. Owning equipment of this caliber requires you to take on the role of a maintainer, establishing a direct, long-term relationship with your belongings. This matrix categorizes our 5 brands by barrier to entry and long-term payoff. For homeowners, high capex items like Speed Queen and Honda are long-term investments rewarded by decades of flat operating expenses. For tradespeople, Wright Tools and Goodyear welted boots are essential investments where mechanical failure carries massive risk. For those on a budget, the Lodge Skillet is the perfect entry point: low cost, high durability, and manual maintenance. Always prioritize your budget where failure has the highest consequences. The most expensive product you can buy is the one you have to buy twice. Choosing to buy for life is an act of opting out. You are choosing to exit a cycle of waste designed by corporations to keep you dependent on their supply chains. While these products require more capital upfront, they provide the security of true ownership. You control the tools that support your life. This path is not for everyone. It requires you to embrace the heavy, the loud, and the uncompromising. By choosing iron, leather, and steel, you are building a life designed to last longer than the warranty.